After the device is connected, please change the computer IP settings. Change the IP address to 192.168.1.31 to establish a connection. Run the HydroQuest. The device status will turn green. First, configure the port settings. We recommend using the default configuration. For the MS400U, it is recommended to select automatic configuration. Set the alarm settings according to your needs. Specify the data to be stored and the path for storage. It is advisable to check only the third option. Please set the data output based on the software you are using. The control interface at the bottom allows you to adjust the parameters. It is generally recommended to use automatic working parameters and working range. The automatic working range can adjust based on water depth to avoid operational errors. For detailed explanations of various parameters, please refer to the operation manual. Once the device is in the water, you can click to start working. Please ensure that the device is fully submerged, otherwise it may be damaged. Once everything is confirmed to be correct, we can begin setting up the POS system. In your browser, enter 192.168.1.100, username, admin, password. After successfully logging in, you will see the status of various components in the POS system. Once the status is confirmed as normal, input the positional relationships. Start with the relationship between the reference point and the IMU. The reference point is typically set to the center of the upper surface of the device. This value is fixed. Please find the relative positions in the manual. Next, measure the positional relationship from the reference point to the main antenna. Please note that in this coordinate system, forward X, starboard Y, and downward Z are considered positive values. Then, in the navigation control interface, set the positional relationship between the primary and secondary antennas. This setting is based on the primary antenna as the reference point. After completing the setup, you will be prompted to restart. Click to restart the receiver and wait for 1 minute. Log back into the system. Wait for the INS mode to change to aligned. At this point, the device is functioning normally. Next, please try to perform the IMU initialization procedure. Pilot the boat in a figure 8. Wait until the roll, pitch, and heading in the attitude section show sigma in the range of 0.03 to 0.1, at which point you can begin normal data collection. Next, set up the navigation acquisition software, HydroNavi. Run the acquisition software and follow the prompts to create a new project. Set the coordinate system parameters according to your needs. Select the corresponding device model. For the MS400U, please also select MS400P. Next, configure the draft depth. Here, the software presets the value according to the structure diagram. Since the GNSS and IMU are at the same position in the MS400U, their values will be the same. The fixed difference between the transducer and both is 0.148 meters. The distance from the water surface to the equipment reference point is 1 meter. Then, proceed with the alarm settings. No settings are required on the sound velocity configuration screen. At this point, the project setup is complete. Once you confirm that the device is submerged, please double-check it. Click Start Survey. The position will be displayed. Now, please set up the matrix for data storage. You can stretch, rotate, or adjust the grid size within the matrix. After configuring, click Save. The matrix must be locked, otherwise you won't be able to view the data. Proceed to edit the survey lines. Select 2 points to establish the first line, and then translate based on this line. Set the line interval. Save the survey lines. Now you can view the established survey lines on the left side. At this point, you can choose the direction of the survey lines. Once settings are complete and the attitude sigma is in the range of 0.03 to 0.1, please begin recording data. Data collection should follow the survey line, stopping at turns. After the survey is completed and recording is stopped, it is recommended that the boat move forward a little to ensure that the boat can sail along the survey line after turning around. Resume data collection after entering a new survey line. When the measurement is finished, stop recording and stop working. Then stop data acquisition in HydroQuest. Next, convert the data format. Select the required data format based on your needs. Choose the path for data storage. It is recommended to check RTK tide. Set the sound velocity correction value according to the data. Once the conversion is complete, you can view the result file,